Leeds International School, IAL. Text Pearson Edexcel International, video number 74. Pure Mathematics 3, Students Book, that is P3. Chapter 1, Algebraic Methods. Learning Objects. Number 1, Multiply Algebraic Fractions, page 2 to 5. Number 2, Divide Algebraic Fractions, page 2 to 5. Number 3, Add and Subtract Algebraic Fractions, page 2 to 5. Number 4, Convert and improper fractions into partial fractions, page 5 to 8. Prior knowledge check. A. Multiply 3x squared and 5x squared, which gives you 15x to the power 7. B. Divide 5x to the power 3 y to the power 2 by 15x squared y cubed, which is equals to x divided by 3xy. Factorizing each polynomials next. Part A, x squared minus 6x plus 5, which gives you 2 factors x minus 5 into x minus 1. Part B, factorize 9x squared minus 25x squared, that is equals to 3x to the power 2 minus 5y to the power 2, which gives you 3x plus 5 into 3x minus 5y. Part C, x squared minus 16x, where x is the common factor, multiplied by x minus 16. Assessment. Exercise 1A, question number 2, exam practice. Question number 4, exam practice. Then we'll move on to chapter 1, section 1.1. Arithmetic operations with algebraic fractions to multiply fractions. Cancel any common and then multiply the numerators and denominators. Example 1, skills problem solving. Simplify the following products. Part A, 3 over 5 into 5 over 9, where 5 and 5 up and down, cancelling the common factor, and which comes to the answer as 1 over 3. Part B, x plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 divided by x squared minus 1, which is equals to x plus 1 multiplied by 3 over x plus 1 into x minus 1, where x squared minus 1 has the factors of x plus 1 into x minus 1. The final answer is 3 over 2 times x minus 1. C part, a over b into c over a, which is equals to c over b, cancelling common and multiply numerators and denominators. Example 2, skills problem solving. Simplify. Part A over b divided by a over c. Part B, x plus 2 divided by x plus 4, whole thing divided by 3x plus 6 over x squared minus 16. Part C, show that x squared minus 64 divided by x squared minus 36, whole thing divided by 64 minus x squared divided by x squared minus 36, which is equals to minus 1. Then part D, simplify fully, that is an exam practice question to be done by you on your own. That is x squared plus 2x minus 24 divided by 2x squared plus 10x multiplied by x squared minus 3x divided by x squared minus 3x minus 18. To add or subtract two fractions, find the common denominator as before. Examples A. 1/3 plus 3/4 equals to 4/12 multiplying up and down by 4 plus 9/12 multiplying up and down by 3. The final answer is 13/12, which we add 9 and 4 since the denominator is common, that is 12. Part B, a over 2x plus b over 3x, which is equals to 3a over 6x multiplying up and down by 3 plus 2b over 6x multiplying up and down by 2, which gives you 3a plus 2b divided by 6x, where 6x is the common denominator. Part C, 2 over a plus 3 minus 1 over a plus 1. When you get the common denominator as a plus 3 and a plus 1, numerator comes 2 times a plus 1 minus 1 times a plus 3, which gives you 2a minus a plus 2 minus 3 divided by d, where d is the common denominator as a plus 3 into a plus 1, and the final answer is a minus 1 over d. D part, 3 over b plus 1 minus 4b over b squared minus 1 equals to 3 divided by b plus 1 minus 4b divided by b plus 1 into b minus 1, where b squared minus 1 is a difference of two squares, breaks down into b plus 1 and b minus 1. That equals to 3 times b minus 1 minus 4b. The denominator is b plus 1 into b minus 1, which is equals to 3b minus 3 minus 4b over d, which is equals to minus b minus 3 by d, which is minus brackets b plus 3 divided by d. Exercise 1b, skills interpretation. Write as a single fraction question number 1. Part A, 1 over p plus 1 over q, which is equals to q over pq plus p over pq, which is equals to p plus q over pq. Numerator p or q cannot be cancelled with denominator. That is a common mistake you all are doing from the lower grades. Part B, 3 over a squared minus 1 over a, which comes to 3 over a squared minus a over a squared, which is equals to 3 minus a over a squared, where a squared is a common denominator. Question 2, assessment. Write as a single fraction part A 7 divided by p squared minus 4 plus 3 divided by p plus 2. Part B 2 over x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 3 over x squared plus 4x plus 3. Part C, it has given in a different form, but you have to try as the same before. Gx equals x plus 6 over x plus 2 plus 36 over x squared minus 2x minus 8. Next, section 1.2, an important section for you, that is improper fractions. An improper fraction is one whose numerator has degree greater than or equal to the denominator. An improper fraction must be converted to a mixed fraction before you can express it in partial fractions. There I have given two examples below. Number one example, x squared plus 5x plus 8 over x minus 2, where the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator. Number 2, x cubed plus 5x minus 9 divided by x to the power 3 minus 4x squared plus 7x minus 3, where the degree of the numerator and the denominator are equal, where it is the highest degree of the up and down numerator and the denominator. To convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, you can use either number 1 algebraic long division, number 2 the relation fx equals qx into divisor plus the remainder. Method 1, using algebra long division to show that fx equals x squared plus 5x plus 8 over x minus 2 is identically equal to x plus 7 plus 22 divided by x minus 2, where qx equals x plus 7, 22 is the remainder and x minus 2 is the divisor. Method 2, that is the continuation of the before slide, multiply by a minus 2 and compare coefficients to show fx equals x squared plus 5 plus 8 is identically equal to x plus 7 into x minus 2 plus 22. Example 1, given that a squared plus a cube plus a squared minus 7 divided by a minus 3 is equals to a simple a squared plus b simple a plus c plus d over a minus 3. Find the values of a, b and c and d using algebraic long division. The algebraic long division is given below, and finally you got divisor as a minus 3, dividend as a squared plus 2a plus 12, and the remainder is 29. Continue with the before slide. So a to the power 3 plus a to the power 2 minus 7 divided by a minus 3 is equal or equivalent to a squared plus 4a plus 12 with a remainder of 29. So we can write it as a to the power 3 plus a to the power 2 minus 7 divided by a minus 3, a whole factor, is equal or equivalent to a squared plus 4a plus 12 plus 29 divided by a minus 3. Now comparing with the question, capital A comes to 1, capital B comes to the coefficient of A is 4, and the constant term comes to 12, and also the D part comes to 29 divided by A minus 3. That is the end of the video, and thank you very much for you to be with me.